Well, it may not come as a surprise, but across the United States, women are severely underrepresented in the STEM fields. Those are the jobs in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, which are all high-paying jobs yet struggle to attract females. Today, we're going to take a look at the issue and examine some work going on in search of a solution. And with that, here's our Courtenay DeHoff.
Well, despite accounting for nearly half of the workforce, women only hold 25% of STEM jobs. This low figure mirrors the scene on college campuses, where women graduate with only 27% of science, math, and engineering degrees, something that an innovative program underway across the state is hoping to fix by piquing young females' interest in robots. Things are hectic at Francis Tuttle.
We have a 6-week deadline, so that is
to build the whole thing?
To build the entire thing.
Oh yeah, the blade's a bit loose.
Week 1 of the First Robotics competition.
Like a regular basketball team, there's an offense and defense.
6 weeks to build a robot that can shoot hoops and roll over bridges.
I feel like a kid again.
But seeing girls like Bonnie Arnold and Jennifer Droke on the team are not all that common.
It's actually not that many. I think there might be 6.
Yeah, about 6.
While the boys quietly keep a watchful eye, these future female engineers aren't afraid to tell them how it is.
Boys can't figure out the problem, and the girls can. Because they were working on this yesterday, and they were all boys. None of them thought of this.
It's great to have girls on the team, just getting some mixture up.
It's a typically male-dominated field, says fellow robotics team member Colton Dancer.
There's usually prone to more guys, I have to say, generally speaking, but I don't think so. I don't think it should be that way.
Wait till I say go.
And given these girls' goals, they're going to have no problem playing with the big boys.
Changing our culture and becoming more innovative. I'm going to go to OSU and hopefully get a degree in structural engineering. So.
Yeah, I'm most definitely going into engineering. What I usually use as an example as how big of an impact I want to make on the world is like how Apple was able to create the iPhone, which has completely changed the way we use cell phones, the way we view cell phones.
Oh, that won't work.
And leave it to a woman to tell it like it is.
Oh, poo.
Darn.
There's a generation out there, they saw the launch of an airplane for the very first time, and then man on the moon. The only thing, our generation has seen...
the end of the U.S. sending people into space?
Yeah, the end of, the space race. So we haven't seen anything, truly amazing. It's our turn to shine and show the world what we got.
And it gives them a head start. They always are the ones that are doing the tutoring.
Their teacher, Brian Kitzrow, knows how important the First Robotics program will be for their futures.
It gives them a chance to work with some of those programs before they get into college.
Just a great opportunity to get experience with engineering, to actually get to build something.
I think it helped me with OSU because I put it on my resume and they accepted me without even having a high school transcript, so I thought that was pretty cool.
And pretty cool it is. 2 girls that will leave their mark and hopefully help the world realize that women really do measure up in the field of engineering.
Someone lost it. Probably the sophomores.
Now their entire robot must be completed in 6 weeks to be eligible for the regional competition held at the Cox Arena in Oklahoma City. 53 teams will debut their robots at the competition held the last weekend in March.
And what happens after regionals for these bright young folks?
Well, Rob, there are lots of awards up for grabs at regionals, including an Engineering Spirit Award, 3 Logo Motion Awards, and many others. Now, all the award winners will head to the national competition in St. Louis, Missouri.
Well, certainly sounds like a lot of fun. Thank you, Courtney. And the young ladies don't have to wait until high school to get involved in the sciences. When we come back, I'll take you to Oklahoma's first Lego League.